I'm sitting on my new sofa. Do you know when you order items online and it looks a lot bigger? Yeah, that's definitely happened to me. Honestly, I was just like, yeah. Hello, and welcome to a new vlog. There's been a lot going on this morning, so this is actually the first time where I've actually just like sat down. We had the sofa delivered this morning by Hills. The guys were amazing. They unboxed it, took the cardboard boxes with them. I'll show you guys the sofa in a second. I just got a text. I actually wanted to do a bit of an unboxing with you guys today. I've been sent quite a few things from Firm Living. I've been following their Instagram account for a very long time, so I'm so excited that they sent me a few products. The flat's looking like a tip at the moment. The sofa is in the middle of the living room, the dining table is like pushed to the side. We had Tyler come in from Fantastic Service. He's just finished doing our tiles. The floor's extremely dusty right now and my OCD is kicking in. I really want to just mop the floor up, but he said to leave it for an hour. I've also got a discount code to share with you guys with Fantastic Service. So for those that don't know, Fantastic Service is a company where you can book loads of services. I think they have over 100 services that you can book through their website. They've got cleaning service, they've got window cleaning, mobile car cleaning, tiling, little handyman jobs. You can normally book it through Fantastic Service, book in a time slot, and then someone comes out and do whatever job is required. The discount code, I'm just going to pop it over here on top of the screen. Use this discount code and you get £10 on registration. So we'll start off with this little wooden tray. This is the first item that I've unboxed. It's a lovely tray. I think this is going to go really well in the shelves and you can just put little items on that. How lovely is this? This is so nice. You can literally like decorate it with flowers. Doesn't necessarily need to be anything real. This is a little bowl. Again, I'm going to put this either in the dining room or in the living room. It's really heavy. I forgot I ordered these. I ordered these in 2 different sizes. These are little cardboard storage boxes. It's a paper pulp box, 100% recyclable paper pulp, made from biodegradable and environmentally raw paper pulp. This lidded box gives you a handy, lightweight and stackable storage solution. The durable boxes are useful in every room and help you sort out your closet, store your shoes, papers, or keep toys in the kids' room tidy. Comes in a set of 2. So I've got this size, so I think this is the largest size they have. So it's stacked like this, and then you've got the lids. So I got the big size, and then I also got the smaller size. So the smaller size is like that, and again it's stacked and it comes with 2 separate lids. So yeah, that's a really nice storage solution. This is an oyster bowl. Right, so I expected it to be a lot bigger than this actually. Do you know when you order items online and it looks a lot bigger? Yeah, that's definitely happened to me. So this is a little bowl. So I think it'll be perfect to like put little jewelry in it, earrings, whatnot. But yeah, I did definitely expect it to be a lot bigger than this. So the last item I got from Firm Living, this Bond wooden tray in large. So similar to this one, I actually wanted to order a large version of this in this color, but they didn't have any more in stock. So I went for a black one instead. I don't actually know if this is gonna fit. Actually, yeah, it will fit. Do you know what? I actually want to style my shelves right now. Actually, no. One thing at a time, Olivia. One thing at a time. That's pretty much everything I got from Firm Living. Oh, I actually got... Do you know what? Let me show you guys my recent purchases of the month, really. Of the season. Because I haven't really shared with you guys what I've got. I've shared a couple of things on my Instagram, but let me show you what I've been sent and what I've bought, etc. Let me start off by showing you guys a print I got sent by this beautiful woman inside and out. Her name is Harley. I'll put her Instagram information down below. I've been following her for ages, and we met each other in real life a couple of weeks ago at a H&M home event. Which a few days later she sent me one of her her prints, which actually at the time hadn't been released yet. So I got first dibs, and this is it here. It's beautiful, very autumnal. I honestly fell in love with it when she posted it on her Instagram. So I was like, this is the one I want. I ordered this frame from H&M. I think it's Abstract that you can get it from. And then let me show you another print I got from H&M Home. It's part of their limited edition that they're doing with 3 artists. I will put her on my description bar below. I can't remember her name from the top of my head. But honestly guys, how beautiful is this print? So the H&M Home event we went to, this was on display, and honestly I was just like, yeah. So I went home and literally ordered it that evening, but it's even more beautiful in real life. I love it guys, honestly. I don't know if they're still in stock on H&M Home, but I will leave a link just in case any of you guys are interested. I found her name. It's Brunna Mancuso. That's her name, and that's also her name on Instagram. She's a Brazilian artist who's collaborated with 2 other artists with H&M Home. So yeah, guys, honestly, you won't regret it. You won't regret it. I promise you that. I also grabbed quite a few things from H&M Home as well, but they're all over the flat. Got this little bowl. It's like a little black bowl that you could literally store little items on. I also got this mirror from H&M Home with like a little marble stand. I think this will be quite nice on the chest of drawers that we got upstairs. And I also grabbed this book as well. It's called Simplicity at Home. It's a perfect coffee table book. Did you guys know that Mango has a homeware? I did not know that until like a couple of weeks ago, and I did a little shop. I bought 2 table linens. One's actually on the table now. I'll show you guys. It's like a red checkered table linen. I've always wanted one of those. And then I also got this one. Also got these little cushion covers from Mango as well. They're really nice brown, autumnal vibe. So I got 3 of these. I popped over to Autumnal. I needed cushion fillers. I grabbed these ones to go in here. So they're 45 by 45. Yeah, it fits perfectly. So yeah, there you go, when it's all nice and filled. I want to put these on the bench that came with the dining table. So I'm going to put 3 of these along the bench. And I think that's pretty much it. I did get this really nice lounge chair that just fits perfectly around here in the corner of the living room. This is from Cox & Cox. I will link this lounge chair. But yeah, it's nice and comfortable. Look at that. I love it. It's like a little nice little reading nook. I can grab a book, or I can sit here and listen to some records. But yeah, this is the state of the flat. This is the sofa that came earlier today. And then we've got the fireplace here. It's nice and dry now, it's nice and clean. We went for like something different. I did mention before guys, so use my discount code LIVE to get £10 upon registration if you want to use fantastic service. Tyler did a really good job with the tiles here in the dining room. I don't think I showed you guys our lime washed walls. In the 2 bedrooms upstairs, we did a feature wall with some lime wash paint. This one is the colour Birch. You can't really see it good in this light. You can see my lights there. I'm honestly really happy with how the colour turned out. And then next door is a different story. So this is the colour Desert Fig. I'm not entirely happy with how the colour turned out, so I ordered a darker colour. I can't remember what the colour's called. I've got it downstairs. I did message them and ask if it was okay to paint on top of lime wash, and they said that it's not a problem. I wanted it to be kind of like a terracotta colour, so very dark. We wanted something different in this room. I don't even know how I would describe the colour. Like a faded orange, yeah. So I ordered another color, a darker version of this color. Whenever I feel like it, I will paint it. Here you go guys. I was actually able to move it myself because it splits in 2. It's not as heavy as it looks. Couldn't be any more happy with the sofa. We used to have another sofa, but it was way too big, and I just love that this just fits. Our living room isn't massive, so we are limited in terms of space. Do you know what? It works because you can still sit on the sofa and have a perfect view of the TV and the fireplace, so I'm really, really happy with it. Please do ignore the mess over there. A bit of reality while I'm like maneuvering things around. So what's left to do is literally just find a really nice rug to go into this space. We don't really have much space in the living room, so we were quite limited in what kind of size sofa that we're gonna go for. I'm gonna also link the information on the sofa in the description so you guys can use it as reference if you want something similar to what we've got. I've got a call I need to pick up now. I'm also starving. It's like 2 o'clock and I haven't eaten anything, and then I've got this mess that I need to basically clean up. Yeah, no, I do get what you mean, because I can see it all. I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if you're not already doing so, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.